This was a $2,000 account, and on this particular day we were up $5,000. This level. I actually want to grow this account to maybe $10,000. I'm not so sure. I don't know how confident I will be to end up holding till that, but then right now we are at $5,000, which is absolutely really good. You guys watched in the previous video that my goal was to take that particular account to $10,000 within that particular month. Now I know I was super scared to keep trading that gold movement, but I did take advantage of it. I added to my winning trade. I added 2 more positions. As you can see here, the market kept shooting up to the top. We capitalized on a simple trade and we had our account sitting at $9,000. But the goal was to make $10,000 before we make any withdrawal on that particular account. Which brings us to right now during the New York session, and I'm about to jump into the trade with my entire team. Now right here, right now, the New York session is about to start and I have to give a signal to the inner circle. I saw a really perfect opportunity. If you see it in your charts, you can take advantage of it and make some profit. Now let's break down the trade, right? This is actually really simple. I'm going to actually be using this particular setup for now until mine is done and completed, right? So I don't really have much time to talk a lot. The New York session is about to start, and as you can see right now on the charts, this is actually the NASDAQ 30 minutes time frame as it's actually happening, right? So what we have here is a simple trend line that I drew like this, and you can see a real-time breakout of this trend line. What we are seeing now is the market coming back for a retest to this trend line, and this is my live point of interest. A very simple approach to the market. You have a simple trend line, it broke out of the trend line, you have a clear bias that the market wants to continue its upward movement. It's coming back for a retest. You want to find a point of interest when the market gets back for a retest, and that is why I am entering right now a long position right here, because I've already seen a wick. Now you have to always wait for confirmation. Right now I've already seen a wick happening right here at this level. My stop loss will just be below this level right here. I'm going to manage the risk in real time, especially with the New York open volatility. The market is going to be going up and down, so I really don't want to put a tight stop loss there, but I'll also be managing it in real time like I just said. If we see a crazy breakout and a close below levels that we don't want to, we'll immediately exit the trade. Now while that is happening, I've also given a limit order for my team, the inner circle, on gold, and we are waiting live for the gold trade to come down to this level and tap on it. And normally with the current market movement, as gold is going down, NASDAQ has to be going up. That is also adding confidence to my trade. I'm expecting gold to go down to this level, at the same time expecting NASDAQ to shoot up. It kind of makes sense and gives me more confidence as I am trading right now. The signal has been sent in the inner circle. I have taken the trades right over here. We only have to wait for the markets to keep moving, and we'll check them out in a few minutes. And just like that, guys, just look at this. A few moments have just passed, and as you can see, we have already rejected off of that level that I was talking about, and the inner circle is already sitting in good profit right now. The confirmation is in and the trade has to keep going up to the top. What I want to do is to just peek at the lower time frame so that I have a little more confidence. Let's see what the 15-minute time frame or the 5-minute time frame is saying. Let's see what check out that push on the 5-minute time frame that's happening right now. This is a bullish engulfing candle. I always like this type of confirmation, especially on the 5-minute time frame. If you've been following with the videos, you really know that this is a really good confirmation for me, and I always take advantage of it, right? So this gives me a little more conviction to hold this trade, but I'm not going to add. I just need $1,000 on this account. I really not add profits to this. Let's just wait and see. We already hit our first take profit of 40 pips. We're targeting 100 pips, and then we can reduce the risk on the trade and then just ride the movement. And just look at this movement that is happening right now. In just about 7-8 minutes, the momentum just kept shooting up to the top, and like I said, I am reducing the risk on this particular trade. I am going to drop out in the stop loss a little bit, as you're seeing it right now, and gold is also getting closer to our limit order and is almost right there, as you can see. So whilst we're monitoring the NASDAQ, let's just see what keeps happening on gold. So that's it. We already have our second take profit on the NASDAQ for this particular trade in less than 20 minutes of trading. Should I move And that's it, guys. As you can see right now, we have hit $1,000. This is like 44 minutes of the whole entire trade. I have 4 running trades, and each of them are around 300 pips, 290 pips. I've already told the inner circle to exit the trade and leave 1 trade running to our final take profit. And as sure as anything, gold has tapped onto our limit order. This is what we're going to now see how this trade eventually unfolds. You know, and now that NASDAQ has really pushed to the top like this, we would expect to see gold retracing a little bit, and that's giving me a little bit of I'm not going to risk a lot on this trade because, you know, we might see a little bit of a pullback. But we do have our stop loss in order. We have all our things in order right now. You just saw it. We hit our $1,000 target in real time, and the account is sitting at a beautiful $10,000 as we promised. Gold should just not misbehave on us for this particular trade. So we still will have these gold trades running live. I was also trading my prop firm account on this particular trade, and I really caught the movement. As you can see it running over here. What I'm going to do is, I think if I keep seeing good momentum, I might add to this trade since the account is quite large and, you know, we're not actually doing no challenge on this account. And that's about it. That's the power of a simple breakout and a retest strategy that I've used, executed it live, and traded it with over 200 members of the inner circle, as you can see right here. Now, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button, turn your post notifications, and subscribe to the channel. You feel me? With that, it's been Tino, and I'll see you in the next lit video. Love you guys.
In the meantime, it's not going what I want. Just some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going what I want. Just some me time. You do